Hi everyone, welcome to Technique Thursday. Today I'm so excited, my very first page in Nicole's goals journal. So what I'm doing, if you watched my other video on the plans journal, is my goal for the year is to use up some of my stash, as we say. So I have these tiny little binders. I think they're about 7 by 9, 8 by 9 it says. And I have a ton of them from when I worked for Bo Bunny. And so I decided I was going to use this. So I took the cover, glued it onto the binder. And then I was so excited, I literally punched one page because I wanted to get to work. So I put in the free dashboard Nicole gave us with the journal and the cover. And then I'm going to start on my first page. I'm doing this one as a standalone, and after that I'm going to do the goal, what I can do to reach my goal, and on this side I think I'm going to do a prayer. So I think that's what's going to happen. I don't know because I haven't done a page yet. So I just got out some goodies and I'm not sure where it's going to take us, but we can get started and see. So page 1, so excited. You know, Nikki is so awesome. She doesn't let me peek at the journal until she's done, and then she'll send it to me to kind of do a review, to, you know, proofread it, look it over, see if things are good, and I do the same with her. She checks my journal, and then I phone her up and I always go, Nikki, your journal is good enough to eat. And she goes, Mom, and I go, no, it's delicious. And I said to her, you need to make ugly journals because I feel that your journals are so beautiful, I don't want to add anything to them. And she just started to laugh. I said, I'm serious. I said, it's delicious. So I'm going to do, I think, some stamping and maybe some stenciling. I'm not sure yet, but I really like these stamps from Carta Bella. So I'm going to, I think, use this one. And I was thinking about it, and I'm not sure if I should do it in black or in the purple. I just don't want to make a mistake. Let's do purple. So I'm going to put it on my little stamp block here. I actually just bought a stamp press, and I don't know how it works yet, so I don't want to try it on camera. I haven't even taken it out of the package. It literally just came. So I'm going to ink this up with some Dusty Concord Distress ink. Get it? I don't think it's going to stick to this block. Let's see. It's going to stick. Oh, it is. Yay me. I'm just going to stick it up here in the corner. And I learned a trick the other day. If you want your stamp not to do that ugly edge thing, I don't even know what they call it, ghosting, don't press your stamp on the sides. Just press where your stamp is. So that's kind of cute. And I just pulled out some elements, and we'll see where we're going to go from there. So I typed up my little card of what my goals are for this year. I'm going to do every page in this journal. And so this goal that I'm working on, my very first one, is to study the Bible more. Not just to read a passage here and there, but to go back, read it cover to cover again, and study along with the reading. It's going to be a year of learning. I've read the Bible, and I've read it chronologically as well, which really helped make sense. And I have a Swindoll Study Bible, and I have it out, and I'm starting at Genesis, and I'm reading it in order and reading the study notes along with it and doing some extra research, and that's kind of cool. I'm also focusing on the Psalms this year. I am doing a journaling through the Psalms, which is kind of fun. So I'm doing like a Bible journal for every Psalm. So that's kind of a little pet project of mine on the side. And let's see, I've got some flowers. I think I might stick the flowers up here. Look at me, I'm already covering up my stamping. And then what I did on those little cards, on the journaling cards that Nikki gave us, I wrote how I can achieve that goal. So I wrote that I can keep studying and creating in the Psalms. I can highlight and reflect on what I'm reading, and I can put my Swindoll Study Bible right on my desk. So I thought this was kind of a fun way to put what my goals are. So I don't know if I should do them maybe like that for this page. I just don't know. Really, I don't know. So let's grab the glue stick. And I just love the colors in here, aren't they? They're delicious, right? You're going to agree with me. I know you are, because they are delicious. I'm just going to get my scrap paper here for me to glue on. So this is going to be fun, I think, all these goals. I really like that Nikki did this for us. It was suggested in the group. I mentioned it in my other video, so I phoned her up and I said, Nikki, what do you think of this? And she says, perfect. I was going to do something along those lines. So I'm so glad she did. And I'm like, 15 goals? That seems like a lot. But you know what? There's a lot of things I want to do this year, and just things that I want to focus on more. So will I reach my goal? Yes, because if I even read one page in the Bible, I am going to be successful. So I set small goals for myself so that they are attainable. So, okay, let's put that up there. Isn't this pretty, pretty, pretty? It's delicious. I'm telling you, it's delicious. That's my word of the day, delicious. So, goals. I'll put that right here. And then I'll just get these. I love my glue sticks. I know I say it all the time, but I got glue sticks for Christmas, and I could not be happier. The kids thought I was crazy when I said to them, no, I want glue sticks. Just go to the dollar store, buy me glue sticks. I go through a lot of glue sticks. I should have told them to buy me sticker paper, right? Okay, so we got these little guys on, and everything's glued down. Yay me. Now what can we do? I love stitching stamps. So I have these ones from Prima, and I think I'm just going to grab one. And I'm not going to use the block. I'm just going to use the pad so I can do a little chunk of the stamp. So instead of doing it with a pen and making squiggles, I'm just going to put it like this, and then I have, leverage of where I want it to go. So I'm just going to do a little bit of stamping on some of these just to, that didn't work out so well. We'll try this one. Just a little bit of stamping, maybe do some on the flower, little bits and pieces of the flower, make it kind of cute. Ooh, I love this. And we can put some maybe down here by the birdie, and it just kind of pretties up the page a little bit. Now, I mean, you can use Distress ink to stamp. You can use it for stencils. You can really use it for anything. You can make it into a watercolor if you activate it with water. And my favorite way to use it is with my little finger dauber. And then I can get in those tight little spaces on the tight little stencils. So I'm just going to do this again. Just have some fun with the dots, and just add a little mixed media. I think I'm in a mixed media craze this year because I'm doing my other journal mixed media as well. So, and maybe just a smidge at the top here, a little bit there, and voila, another quick, simple, and easy page. You can do whatever you like. I'm not fussy about this flower, so I think he might get a buddy over top of him, right? Let's just do it. If I'm not happy now, I'm not going to be happy later. And that's what I love about these printables, is you can just print as many sheets as you need. So there, bam, done. So there we go. Our page is finished. It's pretty. I wanted to, where's my little hearts? I wanted to put hearts on these guys. I need to find my hearts. I don't know what happened to them. I had them on my desk and now they're gone. So I will have to dig them out. I'm kind of peeking around, can't find them. So there you have it. Just a quick page and a fun page. And what I want to do is focus a lot on the journaling, and then the decorating part is the fun part. I've done my studying and my research and my thinking and my meditating, and then I just get to come and have fun and play. So thank you all for joining me. All the items I used today will be down in the description. Ryan puts links for everything there. So thank you for joining me. I will see everybody in Praise and Pray. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.